Hi everyone, Kingsley Space IQ. So in today's training session of our YouTube series, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Word document into PDF, okay? So let's assume that this is my Word document and I've written some content here and then I want to convert or save this document in PDF so it can be displayed in PDF. I'll just click on File, click on Save As, click on this PC, click on More Options, okay? So when I click on More Options, I'm going to click on the drop down where it shows Save as File Type. So I'll just click on PDF and then I'm going to now click on Save, okay? So the document has now been changed or saved as PDF. So this is it. I hope this session has been very informative for you. Thank you very much, and I look forward to more training sessions with you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.